Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the birthday week series on my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you my absolute favorite 5 makeup products that I absolutely like, and also these products are the products that I generally use because I know I do like makeup videos on my channel, but as a girl I do not like to wear like heavy makeup, or whenever I go out for some work, like if I go to wedding and birthday parties and all of that stuff, so I do makeup. But otherwise I do not like to wear a lot of makeup like each and every day. So these products that I will be showing you guys are the 5 products that I use like on everyday basis. Whenever I have to go out, I just put this 5 product and I'm out of the house, believe me. Also, can we just appreciate the makeup look that I have created today? This look actually is Pinterest inspired looks. I went through Pinterest and I got this look and I thought it is like really very nice, so I tried to recreate it and it turned out to be really very good. I did like a reel video on this look, so by the time this video will be live, I am sure that the reel video will be live too. So go check out the reel video on my Instagram. All the links will be in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started to the video. So before starting the video, just don't mind my hair because it's too humid in Bombay, and I thought and also the hairs are a little bit greasy and oily, so I thought let's just keep them away from our face and just shoot this video. But yeah, let's get going to the first product. So first product is the eyebrow pencil from Miniso. So I bought this pencil like a long back, and this is my second purchase, and I really like this pencil because of one reason. This pencil over here is a little bit of thick pencil, and the other side which is finished, but the other side has as you can see, the other side is little bit thin, so you can shape your brows according to what you like. And also I believe that when you do your eyebrows, it just completes your makeup, and I just feel that it completes your face, it gives your face that shape. Although I am very curious and very excited always to try new brands of eyebrow pencil because it's just my favorite thing. This is the first step I do when I do not feel to wear any sort of makeup. The next thing I have is Dear Darling tint from Etude House in the shade RD307. So again, my favorite thing. So as you guys know that I am a dry skin person and I love the dewy kind of a look always on my face. Like whenever I put makeup, I do not prefer like matte looks. I always prefer dewy looks. I love that shine that comes on my face whenever I apply makeup. So tints are for that. Whenever you do not feel to put that heavy blush on, but still you need something on your cheeks, right? So for that you have this tints. I have not tried any other tints, but I have heard a lot of good things about this compared to others, and therefore I bought it long back and I still use it, and I have this thing from a really long time, and you can see it's still halfway through. You just need a little bit of tint. The best thing is you can use this on your cheeks, on your lips, on your eyes as eyeshadow. Just if you want that just little bit of hint, then you can use this everywhere. So it is a multi-purpose product, and for all the girls out there who are like me, bit lazy, not bit, a lot lazy, so for you girls this is the best thing you can buy. I personally do not use this a lot on my lips and on my eyes. I prefer using this on my cheeks only because that is the way I like actually. So but you can use it any way you want. The next thing is Maybelline New York Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. I do not put the eyeliner, although I like it, but I do not put the eyeliner on like general basis. So you know, I just put my eyebrows, I just do my mascara, I just coat my lashes with my mascara, and yeah, you're good to go. But this mascara is waterproof for all the girls out there, like beginners. They can use the washable variant in this also. They have the washable variant in this too. I wanted to try waterproof one, so I ordered it, but you can always use the washable one also. It is also a little bit easy to remove from any makeup remover, although this is also like really very easy, but that one is like more easy to remove also with any makeup remover, with the micellar water too. So you know, that becomes like really very handy. I am very curious to try new products from like new brands for the mascaras, but you know, I do not like to invest a lot of money in mascara because you know, they get dried, and वैसे भी after 6 months you have to keep changing your mascara. So I do not find any reason to invest so much money on your mascara. So you know, but again, if you use mascaras like on daily basis like me, then you have to change your mascaras like after 6, 7, 8 months. So do not use it for a really very long time. The next thing I have is Maybelline New York Master Strobing Cream. So this also I have shown you a lot of times in my videos. I like this one because again, I like the dewy finish. I also like highlighter, to be very honest, but you know, I have not included the base products here, right? No concealer, no foundation, because that is how I am. Today I have, obviously because I wanted to do this heavy eye, I have applied foundation, but generally when I have to go out, I do not tend to apply any foundation or any concealer, you know. So I just, and still I want that dewy look, so I cannot apply highlighter on the bare skin. So you know, I always go for the strobing cream. Also I want to try the pack strobing cream, but that is always out of stock. So I picked this up, and this is also in the shade pink. So you guys know how much I like the pink tint in my highlighters. So I have not included highlighter here because I do not use that on regular basis. Instead I use this. The last product I have is no doubt a lipstick, and this is Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in this shade Give Me Mocha. But this shade is also really very nice. I am a brown nude type of a girl, so I like brown nude lipstick colors, and I especially like the liquid lipsticks because they are matte, and I like the matte version of lipstick, and I do not tend to go towards creamy side. I just stick to matte always. Like sometimes I'm so lazy that I just put this lipstick and I'm out of the house, like just that. So this product becomes like really very important, because if I have nothing, I have lipstick on my lips like always. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I included the 5 products that I absolutely love and I absolutely use them on like everyday basis. So whenever I have to do video, obviously I have to apply a lot more things to look presentable on camera. But otherwise, if I have to go anywhere out, I just don't do this kind of a makeup, this kind of heavy makeup you can say. I just put these 5 products and I'm good to go, and therefore you know, I have included them in my 5 favorite product list. I really hope that you guys love this video, and also this was the last video for our birthday week series. So yeah, I really hope that you guys like this birthday week series, and you know, I'm just pre-shooting this video, so I do not know your response on the birthday week series, but I really hope that you guys will love this series. So yeah, I'm like quite sure that you guys will love this series. I really hope that you guys like this video, and I really hope that you guys love this series. So let me know in the comment section below how much you like this series, how much you like this video, and all of that things. That was it for today's video. We will meet next time. Bye.